Some of today's wheat harvesters no longer feel like ordinary farm machines, but more like mobile industrial systems with grain tanks up to 20,000 liters and extremely fast unloading right in the middle of the field. And the further we go, the more overwhelming their size and presence become. If you enjoy truly giant machines, subscribe GDK from the start, because the closer we get to the end, the more their size will go beyond imagination. The MF IDEAL 9T is a very powerful machine in a quiet and refined way. With a 17,100 liter grain tank, a 210 liter per second unloading speed, and up to 660 horsepower. In wheat fields, its biggest strength is the smooth cutting rhythm, the steady crop flow, and the very stable working feel, while its unloading scene looks like a mobile transfer station right in the field. The Fendt IDEAL 10T takes everything to a higher level, with up to 790 horsepower, a 17,100 liter grain tank, and a 210 liter per second unloading speed. This machine stands out with its long, planted, modern look, and when it sweeps across a wide strip of wheat, viewers can clearly feel that it was built for extremely high output. The CLAAS LEXION 8900 TERRA TRAC is a true German-style harvest monster with 779 horsepower, a grain tank of around 18,000 liters, and a header that can reach 15.3 meters wide. Its most impressive point is the TERRA TRAC undercarriage that holds firmly on the field, the extra-wide header, and a machine body that works in a way that feels both intelligent and aggressive. The John Deere X9 1100 is impossible to ignore in high-capacity wheat harvesting, because besides its 690 horsepower and grain tank of up to about 19,381 liters, the company also states it can harvest up to 30 acres per hour in suitable conditions. On screen, this machine looks especially powerful because of its relentless working pace, its ability to open up the field quickly, and the way it keeps harvesting almost without interruption. If it is still hard to decide which one is the best at this point, leave the name of your favorite in the comments, because from here on, we are entering the territory of true harvest monsters. The new Holland CR11 is one of the strongest names right now, with 775 horsepower, a 20,000-liter grain tank, and an unloading speed of 6 bushels per second. What makes it intimidating is that everything is scaled up another level, from the extra-wide header to the heavy crop intake, making it feel like a moving factory running through the field. The CLAAS IH AF10 delivers a very muscular kind of power, with 775 horsepower, a 20,000-liter grain tank, and a 210-liter per second unloading speed. Its biggest highlight is the huge single rotor, the ability to handle a very high crop flow, and the extremely powerful unloading moment, which makes it look more like heavy industrial equipment than a regular combine. The CLAAS IH AF11 is a very fitting machine to close this topic, because it belongs to the extreme combine class with 775 horsepower, dual rotor technology, a 20,000-liter grain tank, and an unloading speed of 6 bushels per second. Just by looking at its massive body, giant header, and non-stop unloading scenes, viewers can immediately feel that this is one of the most brutal wheat harvesting machines on the market today. Out of these 7 machines today, which one impressed you the most? And what would you like to see next? Top rice harvesters, giant forage harvesters, sugar beet harvesters, or super powerful farm tractors? Leave your next topic in the comments and subscribe so you do not miss videos about the world's strongest, biggest, and most advanced machines.